Tiny cooking videos are taking over YouTube Shorts right now. These miniature kitchen clips are pulling in millions of views, and even brand new creators are growing fast with this trend. In this video, I'll show you the complete process of creating them from scratch using AI. Go to the video description below and copy the master prompt. This prompt is designed to generate ultra-realistic miniature cooking videos. Copy the entire prompt and open Google Flow AI. Switch to video mode, select your preferred aspect ratio and choose the OmniFlash model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is ready, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Scroll to the top of the prompt where you'll find the food item section. Replace it with any food you want to create. For this example, pizza, I'll type pizza. Now click Generate. Wait a few minutes while Google Flow creates your miniature cooking video. And there it is. Your first tiny cooking video is ready. You can repeat the same process with any food you like. For example, paste the same prompt again, replace the food item with burrito, and click Generate. Within a few moments, you'll have another unique miniature cooking video. You can create endless variations using foods like chimichanga. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI video creation tutorials.